Hi guys, I'm Angela. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a makeup transformation tutorial. I'm gonna turn myself into Adele. Actually, I don't want to call it transformation because she and I has nothing to look alike, but let's just say Adele inspired makeup look. I'm super excited because she's my favorite singer. She is breaking the record across the world. She's amazing. And probably you've seen her most recent album, Easy and Me. She is freaking gorgeous in that album. I was like, wow, she's so beautiful. I have to do her makeup look. So I'm here. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with foundation using Innisfree's Velvet Cover Foundation, shade number 30. This shade is actually exactly same as my skin tone, so I'm enjoying using this product pretty often. I'm gonna cover my acnes with Innisfree's Matte Full Cover Concealer number 31 Wallet. These days I got so many acnes around my chin, especially. I don't know why, because I'm not eating any junk food or anything. I don't get that much stress. Maybe I'm getting stressed because I'm getting acne, so getting more stressful and it occurs more acne. Wow, so bad. Giverny's Milk Cover Concealer. Milk, even written Milk Covered Concealer. So cute. I'm gonna brighten up my dark circles and also gonna use it as a highlighter. Gonna contour with this Edit Plain 101 stick, Contour Duo Intense. I love this contouring stick because it's so hard to get contouring stick in Korea. Most people use just powder type, so I was looking for this kind of stuff. And finally I found it from Adele. Just gonna draw simple lines where I want to do some contour. Like this. I'm doing some contour on my jawline as well, since Adele has very cute butt chin. I wish I had butt chin too, because it looks very cute, I think. I'm doing more contour around my nose, since Adele has very slender nose, but mine is very flat and wide. So let me make it as close as hers. And as you can see, her contour connects to her brow bones. Oh my goodness, I look so different right now. I'm going to contour more around my cheekbones. Because since she put a lot of bronzer on her cheekbones, so I'm gonna make it similar to that. Gonna use this NARS bronzer on my cheekbones. I'm setting all of these makeups that I just did with some powder. Now it's time for the brows. I'm gonna use Eclipse Natural Auto Brow, dark brown shade. On this photo, Adele has pretty dark brown brows with very smooth arch. Before moving into the eyes, I'm gonna use this double eyelid tape from Self Angel, since Adele has bigger eyes than I do, so wow. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use this Catrice the Fresh Nude Collection eyeshadow palette. For the cut crease eye makeup look that Adele wears, I'm starting with this dark brown shade and create the crease over my eyes. Her eyeshadow lines is almost close to her eyebrow. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. I'm gonna put this shimmery light beige shade to intersection of my eyes. Since I have hooded Asian eyes, I'm gonna create bigger double eyelid over here with eyeliner. So please, easy on me, babe. I know I'm a terrible singer. Don't mind me, I just do it all the time. Now moving on to the eyeliner. I'm gonna create Adele's trademark wing eyeliner. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara before I put falsies on. I got these very flirty eyelashes from Daiso again, and gonna measure them out to my eye shape and put some eyelash glue and stuck them on there. For lips, I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay Lead the Way shade. I'm drawing on my lips a little bit wider than my natural are. Okay, that's it. I'm going to wear blue contacts and change into my hairs, and we'll come back. Ta-da! Guys, I'm back. Do I look like Adele? Never mind, I found someone like you. I'm really sorry, I'm a terrible singer. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my video, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!